The incessant, rasping cough was a cruel intruder, stealing the vibrant hues from her world and replacing them with a dull, persistent ache. Each violent spasm racked her body, leaving her breathless and drained. Sleep became a fleeting luxury, interrupted by gasps and wheezes that echoed in the quiet of the night. Her once bright eyes now carried the shadows of exhaustion, and the joy of everyday moments was overshadowed by the looming threat of the next coughing fit. Laughter felt distant, conversations strained, and the simple act of breathing became a conscious, often painful, effort. Her health, her peace, her very happiness, seemed held hostage by this relentless affliction. Yet, in the quiet wisdom of nature, a gentle remedy awaited. A simple cup of thyme tea, warm and fragrant, held the promise of solace. With each soothing sip, the tension began to ease, the irritation in her throat softened, and the harsh edges of her discomfort began to blur. The aromatic steam filled her senses, bringing a wave of calm. Gradually, steadily, the cough subsided, replaced by the gentle rhythm of normal breathing. The world, once dulled by her illness, began to regain its lost brilliance. The threat receded, and the possibility of a return to her vibrant, joyful life blossomed once more. The simple act of drinking tea became a silent symphony of healing, a gateway back to health, peace, and the happiness she so deeply deserved. Thyme benefits health effects for cough relief. Thyme is used in traditional medicine for respiratory issues. This video explores its compounds and how it helps reduce cough symptoms effectively. Thyme for respiratory health. Active compounds in thyme. Thyme contains thymol and carvacrol, known for their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which contribute to respiratory health support. Mechanism against cough. These compounds help soothe the respiratory tract by reducing inflammation and suppressing cough reflexes, offering natural relief from persistent cough. Comparison with conventional remedies. Thyme offers an effective, natural alternative to common cough medicines, with fewer side effects and added antimicrobial benefits, supporting holistic treatment approaches. Usage and safety. Dosage forms and administration. Thyme is available as teas, syrups, and essential oils. Administration varies by form but typically involves oral consumption with standardized doses for efficacy. Potential side effects and interactions. While generally safe, thyme can cause allergic reactions in sensitive individuals and may interact with anticoagulants. Consultation with a healthcare provider is advised. Recommendations for different populations. Thyme use should be cautious in pregnant or breastfeeding women and children. Tailored dosing and professional guidance improve safety and effectiveness. Thyme provides a scientifically supported option for cough relief, combining efficacy with safety when used appropriately, making it a valuable complementary remedy. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions for future videos. Please like, share and subscribe.